Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today I'm going to walk you through how to check your transaction limits on Remitly by contacting the Remitly support. Now if you're having trouble finding your transaction limits or you need more information, you can simply call Remitly support by dialing +1 888 736 4859 for the US toll free, or +1 206 299 9596 internationally. Now, you can also decide to send an email to mail2support@remitly.com, and you can also don't forget to inform the support representative that you would like to know your transaction limits. Please note that Remitly's transaction limits vary depending on factors such as your account type, verification level, destination country and currency, and the payment method used. Also keep in mind that Remitly may adjust transaction limits based on regulatory requirements, risk assessments, or other factors. Thanks for watching.